Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Windows 10 build and whether it's 64-bit. Windhawk works best on recent builds. Once done, make sure Visual C++ redistributables and NET runtimes are installed so plugins can run. Next, download the Windhawk Core app and one package you need. Choose a stable package to reduce conflicts. You're now ready to run the installer and open Windhawk for the first time, which brings the app into an accessible plugin manager. You'll run Windhawk with administrative rights so it can apply system-level modifications. This is required for many plugins. Once open, enable one plugin at a time to test behavior. This helps isolate issues and avoid cascaded conflicts. Configure each plugin's settings from its page because defaults may be aggressive. If a plugin modifies UI elements, restart the target app or Explorer to apply changes. Keep notes on which plugin caused any behavior you need to reverse. You finish by finalizing enabled plugins and adjusting settings to taste. Make sure defaults don't override your workflow. If something breaks, disable the last plugin you added and restart the affected app. Windhawk's logs and its safe mode let you diagnose crashes or conflicts. To recover quickly, export your enabled plugin list and backup Windhawk settings. If persistent issues occur, uninstall the offending plugin or restore from backup so your system returns to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.